This is a follow-up video from my first video, just to show you a bit more in depth how to set this up. So I'll get my other phone and I go onto the photo. You hover that over, it scans it, press that button there, comes up with IP Pro, you can open that. Then here you can see an option here on how to add your device. For this type of system that I've got with the 4 cameras and the box and the mouse, you click on this one, DVR/NVR, click on that. Now it says iCloud ID. Now what you need to do, if you get the mouse and right click up on the screen here above me, look, or right click, you get this option come up. If you go down to Setup Wizard, click that with a right click, then you've got 3 barcodes there: Android, iOS and Cloud ID. Cloud ID is the one you want for setting this up. So on your phone you've got this little button here that says like a scan. Press that, it's ready to scan the Cloud ID. Hold that up on here and then there it is. iCloud code's already put in. You press complete and then it will be set up. Mine's already complete, so it will say that it's already done. So see, it's adding. See, device exists, but that would add your new device straight up to that, straight to your phone. So you click on here. So that's what I've got set up. This is my new place. Got one on the front door, and then my second camera is on the car parking spot. I've got another 2 cameras, but I haven't decided to set them up. I've got nowhere to put those ones. So as you can see, as this is set up, parking spot and the front door is up on the screen there, and up there on the phone. So let me just show you the box again. So we've got the HDMI coming in to the TV. Here's your VGA. Now this cable, you see this is coming into my router. You need that plugged in to your router to be able to get that connected to your phone. If you don't have that plugged into your router, that Ethernet cable, you won't get the picture up on your phone. You will get it up on the screen, but you won't get it on your phone. So you need to make sure you've got that plugged in. It just plugs in the ports there. And you've got your USB for your mouse, and obviously your antennas. I actually have this tucked under the sofa, so that's why I've got the antennas down, and I can even show you from even having the sofa on top and the antennas down, the distance in which I can travel these cameras, which is up here. Now what I'll do is I'll show you how far away I've got these set up. So on the screen you can see one on the door and one on the car parking spot. Let's go down now and I'll show you the distance in which this box with the antennas is travelling. Let's go and have a look. What I'll also do is show you the setup that I have to show you the power cable and how I've mounted them, and also showing you that I've used security screws, just in case you worry about them being taken. Let me show you. Security screws in there, look. Right, here's my other camera. See the screws? Security screws, they can't be easily taken. There's my box. Now the type of cameras I've got are these ones, indoor, outdoor. Just to recap, if you haven't seen my first video, they go 20 meters indoors and 100 meters outdoors, they say. They're night vision cameras as well, easily mountable, just down, up, and then once you've got to the position you want, you just tighten this Allen key there it comes with, and it will lock it in place. Here you just connect your power, that's all you need. Remember that the power comes as a very short power lead, so you may need these extension power leads as mentioned before if you haven't seen my first video. What I'll do is I'll send a link into the video just below saying, showing you where you can get the junction boxes from that I used. That's so that all the connections and all this cable and this bulky section here and all of that is all covered up in that junction box with that power lead joint to that, so it's all hidden, and then just pinned this cable. That's a 5 meter. You can get longer, a 10 meter, so about £4, maybe vary, maybe up to about £7 for this one. Here's the box. Power leads. So as mentioned before, the power lead, as you can see, isn't very long. That's why you need these power extension cables, unless you've got sockets right next to your where you'd like to locate your cameras. As you can see, the distance on where you can have your cameras away from your box is quite a distance. So I'm in a 3-floor masonette, and I can show you that from the top floor you can get signal all the way down to the ground floor outside area with these cameras. So they work very well. I'm going to show you now how easy this is to set up. Here I've just got one of the cameras and the power lead. I'm just going to plug this in the socket, and then we're going to go and check out the TV screen and see what we can see. So literally I'm just plugging this in now. Yeah, just leave that there in the corner. Right, let's go check it out. See that pop up? Just come up. You see how long that took? Maybe 5-10 seconds, and then you're up. Easy as that. Just power, give it 10 seconds, and it's on. That's the one I've temporarily set up. There's the front door, there's the parking spot. We have another camera spare, but we don't need that. That's just to show you how easy they are to set up. They come straight up on the screen. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, this was helpful, give us a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Bye.